Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. I was here last night, so there's not going to be much change inside, so I'm just going to have a look around, see what's going on, see if there's people working yet. Just can see some lifts and cherry pickers up, so we'll have a look at what they're doing. We'll do a little bit of transfer talk as well, because it's getting to that point of the season now where you want to see your team starting to buy players to get them ready for the new season. So these guys have been, it looks like the same ones, yeah, they've been working on that for a few days now. And you know what? It's looking a lot neater. See the underside there, that needs to be cladded there. See it there? And also under where they are, that's all going to need cladding under there. But yeah, it's looking a lot neater there now. You know, attention to detail and all that's going to be paramount. Right, so people said about the brickwork as well that I keep failing to look at. So it looks like that's what these are doing here. And the brickies are hard at it, so they're doing the tops of them windows now, which has been, so they've done that one. Now they're starting on that one, and they've got to do up that post as well, haven't they? What's he doing behind the glass? We're working out. Does anyone know? Let me know. He's got a trowel, I know that. Yeah, so before I get started, I want to thank everyone for, well, before I get started, I've already started. I want to thank everyone for helping one of my videos reach 100,000 views, which is amazing. You know, for someone with 11,000 subscribers to reach 100,000 views on one video, it's outstanding. I did get a bit of help off TikTokers clipping it and sharing it and crediting me with it. It's just a shame that the media outlets didn't credit me, because I might have got even more views, but no, thank you. It's on 100,000 views and it's still getting watched, so thanks a lot for that. I want to give a mention to a fellow YouTuber who's been through a rough time at the moment, saying Great Beard Droning. I don't know if you know about him yet, but he's been through a rough time. So we started doing this just after I started doing it, and then he had some problems. He had a mini stroke which set him back. I'll just zoom on these a touch more. He had a mini stroke which set him back, and then that put him into a little bit of depression, and yeah, he's starting to get himself back on track now. He's got his drone back out and he's starting to do a bit now with his drone. So if people want to give him a subscribe, he's about 100 off his 1,000, so the first milestone's almost in sight for him. It's just been slow going for him since he come back, because he seems to take off quite well when he started, and then he had his problems, and then when he come back, his growth hasn't been as good. So he needs about 90 more subscribers, so if you can help him out, guys. He's a really nice fella. He put a video on yesterday, which I'll put a link to in the description of this video, so give that a watch. He explains all about him, what he's doing, his problems that he's had, and how he's coming back. And then you can subscribe once you've watched his video. Okay, so let's try and get him to the first 1,000. He's a nice fella. Because when I first started, I started plugging people without even like knowing who they were, and saying, "Oh, subscribe to me, sound," and then they turned out to be idiots. So yeah, so it's very rare that I do recommend people now. So yeah, but I recommend Craig. Craig's alright. Greybeard, Wayne, he's alright as well. So yeah, subscribe to him. Let's get him to his 1,000. So another, alright, so there's more brickies over here. Yeah, I'm sorry that took so long, guys. Yeah, so they're flying along with all this brickwork along here now. Another one as well, transfer news. I don't know if you're the same as me, but I don't take any transfer news serious unless I see them standing at the training ground in front of the crest with a Liverpool kit on. Okay. Apart from Alexis Alexis McAllister. He was seen at the training ground well before it was announced. Photos had been, people had seen him. He'd been taking photographs of people, so that was nailed on. So unless I see something like that, or the standing there in the kit in front of the crest, then I don't take it serious. But what I do want to see is I want to see this Thuram come to Liverpool, and I want to see this Kone come to Liverpool. They're both young lads. I don't know if they're too young yet, but they seem to be doing a biz. Thuram is at Nice and Kone is at Gladbach, isn't he? So yeah, I reckon them two could do the biz, and that mixed with the old lads that we've got in the team at the moment, so Thiago, Fabinho, Hendo, they can all help them along, and we're in good standing then, because I don't think we need any more forwards at the moment. We've got the forwards that we need. We just need a strong midfield again, and that helps the defence out. I think the defence would be sound if they had the good midfield in front of them, and maybe add one more centre back. I think 3 players would do us. Now there's a rumour going round about Mbappe. I don't know if everyone's heard this rumour, but it looks like he's definitely leaving PSG, and they don't want him to go to Real Madrid. So I don't know who started the rumour. Maybe it's someone from PSG started the rumour and said, see what this is doing down here. That Liverpool are preparing a bid of around 250 to 300 million for him, which I think Liverpool could afford if push comes to shove. But then we got the he's putting the forever stones down there as well. But we've got the sticking points of the wages, haven't we? Which, I think you're talking upwards of 600 grand a week, which I don't think John Henry's going to want to pay that. So yeah, but it's an interesting rumour. Don't get me wrong, I'd love to see it. Imagine him at Anfield. I've seen him there play against us and he was brilliant. Imagine him playing for us. And I'm saying we don't need any more forwards, but God, I'd take him any day of the week. Yeah, so more forever stones going down there. I did try and get a glimpse of some writing on them yesterday. When I watched it back on the telly, I could read some names on it. So yeah, there was a Jason, there was an Adam, I can't remember what else there was. But someone said, can I go back when everyone's gone home and do a low fly over them and try and get read all the names, because they want to see if theirs is there. Nice. Well, there's plenty of work going on. Shall we try and have a look at the cladding around here? And there's someone on the lower roof there. No, there's nothing. There's no one up on a lift on the cladding yet. What are these up to? That's going to be all the sparks and that, all the. I'm seeing up to the side there. Some more of that rust prevention going on by the looks of it. So there's plenty of work going on here. There's someone on the roof, there's someone you know what? Yeah, hold on. Someone said they wanted to have a look through the gap of the pitch. Have we got a view here? Yeah, but it's not much. Like looking through a letterbox. And there's people on the roof. There's not a lot going on there at the moment, is there? They might be getting prep for the day. Okay, now we'll go over the pitch, but there's not going to be much going on because I was here last night. Yeah, the thingy-majiggy lifting me thing isn't there. I think that's the official name for it. So you can see the arm of that going right up there under the roof, see if you can see it. Yeah, I'm not risking getting that low. It's quite windy up there. I'm not getting any warnings on my screen, but you know, you've got to be sensible in with these things. What the thing me jiggy lifting me thing is there. Yeah, so they're cracking on taking the top layer off. See, cause what I said yesterday was, when I come back, was I was a bit disappointed because they hadn't revealed any more of the pitch. Because when they started, but that's why that's revealed there, is they were lifting the top layer and the bottom layer ones at the same time. So revealing the pitch, but now they just seem to be lifting the top layer off. They're going to have to leave some sort of route for that wagon and a cherry picker and whatever this thing is. Another cherry picker, is it? They're going to have to leave a route for them to get out down here. So I don't know how much they're actually going to get done, and I don't know how long they're going to be doing their thing for. Yeah, but for inside the ground, there's not a lot of change. So I'll be back in the morning. I'm not going to do the 2 dailies. It wasn't worth it last night. There wasn't a lot to see. Although people did say that they like seeing the video, but alright, I'm going to come back over. Let's have a look around this side while I'm here. Oh yeah, you know what? People keep asking me to look at this and I keep forgetting. The brickwork going on down here, because there's quite a lot of it going up now, so that'll be flying right up there. And I'll get round the other side because they're quite advanced on the other side as well. See, that's a lot more uncovered down there. There's a doorway there, and it's come along a lot more than the other side has. Okay, right, I hope I've covered enough there for you guys. I'm here early because I've got quite a bit to do today. I take my dad out for the day once a week, and today's the day that I'm going to take him out. So need to get home, get myself sorted, get this edited and ready to go. There's me there, and I'll get this edited online, and then I can get sorted with Dad and take him around to see some relatives. Okay, right, so I will see you all tomorrow. As always, look after yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.